What if your house was 100% AI controlled? Imagine a smart home environment designed to maximize your comfort and convenience. It subtly adjusts your environment to match your needs and preferences, starting the day with the perfect ambiance. The AI knows when you like to wake up, simulating a sunrise with natural light. As you prepare for the day, the AI transitions the lighting for comfort. It controls the window shades to balance natural light and privacy. The AI learns your routines, adjusting the environment without explicit commands. It's an unseen helper, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. This is a glimpse into a future where your home truly understands you. The central AI system manages all smart devices, from cleaning robots to environmental controls. It processes complex data streams in real time, optimizing energy and performance. The system visualizes its actions and data, offering insights into home operation. AI mapping and diagnostics keep the home running smoothly and efficiently. The future of the smart home is fully integrated and intelligently autonomous. This is a future where technology works in harmony with your life, creating a seamless experience. Imagine coming home to an environment already perfectly set for relaxation. Soft, mood-enhancing lighting greets you. The shades automatically adjust, offering privacy without sacrificing the view. The home environment is tailored precisely to your evening preferences. A robotic vacuum is already maintaining cleanliness without your intervention. The AI monitors all systems, ensuring everything operates at peak efficiency. Advanced diagnostics are always running, identifying, and resolving issues instantly. The AI is constantly learning, improving your home's responsiveness over time. It manages complex tasks, from climate control to security. Your smart home adapts its routines to match the time of day and external conditions. The integrated AI makes your home not just smart, but truly intuitive. Experience the ultimate in autonomous living with a 100% AI-controlled home.